Alright, here we go. On a bike ride. Family bike ride. Mommy likes to be in the back. And Abby's also in the back. Hey Abby, can you say hello? She likes plastic over her because you said it keeps the dirt off of her, which, you know, I get. And the boys are up there. Woohoo! Oh yeah, here we go. This is gonna be fun. Bye. I don't know how this is gonna turn out trying to ride bikes and hold this with one hand. Probably not the best idea. Yeah, hi, Mommy?
Doing great.
Hey, your screen's all black. Does it normally do that?
Yeah, when it's on a long time, the screen goes completely black.
But it'll still record? Okay.
And then I press the record button again, it will turn back to the
Okay. A fly ran into your helmet. Good thing it wasn't your face. Judah, you doing okay? Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Woo. All those honeysuckles. Oh, smells so good. Woo. Okay. Whoa. It's harder for me to do. I'm pulling Abby. She's kind of a lot of dead weight there. Well, we are almost to our destination. We've pedaled for miles and miles. Actually, not that far. And we're gonna get smoothies momentarily. Oh boy. We're there. We're there. Did we make it in time? They close at 6. Woo! There's people in there. All right. Abby, was that fun? Everybody have a good bike ride?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, let's get something to eat.
Pull up.
Oh, nice. Do it again.
Poopies.
Why poopies?
Yeah, it looks like fun.
You have silly all over your face.
That's the most uncomfortable way.
All right, we're gonna ride back home.
Not me. You're dead. I got you, Dad. Here. Here.
Thanks, big girl.
Oh.
Pick up your smoothie. There you go.
Not like that. Don't hold your smoothie like that.
That's right. Just look. Okay, here, hold it. There you go.
Okay, everybody go inside.
Dad.
And wash.
I think the battery died.
It might have.
Yeah.
It's all right. It'll record up until it dies.
Go inside and wash your
Yeah.
hands.
Okay.